Welcome to Miss Mons TV. Today, we're going to do an experiment showing you how biotechnology is used in extracting apple juice.
Apples have a natural fruit glue called pectin. It helps the juice trapped inside the fruit. But here's where biotechnology comes in. By using an enzyme called pectinase, it breaks down the pectin, releasing more juice. Here are the materials that we're going to use: apples, knife, white tile, syringe, coffee filter, pectinase, glass stirrer, graduated cylinder, digital balance, water bath machine, cling wrap, beaker, funnel, sticker label, marker, and timer. Let's begin. Cut the apples about 5 mm by 5 mm in size. Using a balance, measure 50 grams of apples and put it in each beaker. We will use two beakers, one for the controlled C and one for the experimental E. Carefully crush the apples in the beaker using a glass rod. 4 cubic centimeters of distilled water is added to sample in beaker C. And you mix the sample with a glass rod and cover it with cling wrap. 4 cm cube of pectinase is added to sample in beaker E. Mix the sample with a glass rod and cover it with cling wrap. Incubate both beakers in a water bath at a constant temperature, about 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, for 20 minutes. While incubating, prepare two graduated cylinders, labeled C and E. Put a funnel on each cylinder and put a coffee filter for each funnel. After 20 minutes, filter the samples in beaker E and also the samples from beaker C. Left it to filter for about 10 to 15 minutes until no more juice is coming out. The volume of the juice collected is recorded. As you can see, C has 19 cm cube and cylinder E has 32 cm cube of juice. From the given data, we will get the percentage increase in volume of apple juice. So the percentage increase is equal to the difference in volume of apple juice divided by the volume of apple juice in controlled sample times 100. So from our data, controlled has 19 cubic centimeter and the experimental, which is with pectinase, is 32 cubic centimeter. So 32 cubic centimeter minus 19 cubic centimeter divided by the controlled 19 cubic centimeter times 100, we can see an increase in the volume of apple juice to be 68%. Aside from volume, we can see the difference. The controlled is cloudy and darker, while the experimental is clearer and lighter. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, comment, and share.